kids!
Welcome to the Storify Studio.
Tap the subscribe button.
Asia, Africa, North America, South America, and Europe, Australia. Asia's big, where pandas play. Temples stand in the light of day. Rivers long and mountains high. Waves hello beneath the sky. Africa's warm, here lions roar. Giraffes stretch high and elephants explore. Drums go boom in the hot sun's gleam. Sandy deserts like a dream. North America wide and free. Eagles fly for you and me. Tall, tall forests, lakes so blue. Cities busy, old and new. South America bright and green. Rainforest the thickest ever seen. Llamas walk on mountains steep. Colors dance while parrots cheep. Antarctica's cold, all white with snow. Where chilly wobbly penguins go. Glittery ice, a frozen sea. It's very cold, you see. Europe's old with castles grand. Boats sail rivers, cross the land. Bicycles ring, sheep on the hill. Pretty towns so bright and still. Australia hops with kangaroo. Beaches sparkle, oceans blue. Koalas nap up in a tree. Coral reefs down in the sea. Seven big friends